Hi guys, we are here today with Dolly, our surgically sexed little girl, double yellow-headed Amazon, and she wanted to show off today and show everyone her talking skills. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Are you going to tell everyone how you're naughty and you yell help? And you yell help and let people believe that you're a human screaming for help? And that you've had the cops to the door because people have reported that someone needed help at the house? Is that what you're going to tell everyone today? Huh? Say help. Say help. She's going to act innocent now. Are you a pretty girl? Ooh, thank you. Thank you. Are you going to give me a kiss? Oh, is that too close for comfort? Is that too close for comfort? Say hi. Say hi. This little girl is up for adoption. She is a young double yellow-headed Amazon, sweet as pie, surgically sexed female, and everything is healthy organs. She is viable, perfect little girl. Are you going to say goodbye? Are you singing a song? Are you singing a song? Woo, you're loud.
Pack and order with me.
Break it down.
Starting. 3, 2, 1.
Hello, Prince Green. Meet Aurora.
Hi, my name is Aurora, and you're the most beautiful bird I've ever seen. Can I come pet? Oh, can I come pet you? I'm getting closer. Closer. Aw, so sweet. Step up, sweet.
Aww. Don't let poop on Elsa.
You're so luscious.
You're the air that I
So
breathe.
luscious.
Yes, and you. You are all that I need. You are the sun, a gift of light. You are the moon, my comfort at night. You are the water that keeps me alive. You are the ground on which I stand. Yes, you are. Wherever you go, I follow you there. Whatever you do, I'll be there for you. And I will be forever true, true to you. And I give it all. I give you my life. I give you my soul. And I know that you keep it safe. And forever, for all future days. Wherever you go, I follow you there. Whatever you do, I'll be there for you. And I will be forever true, true to
A sweet girl. Stop up. Step up. You're a sweet girl. You're a sweet girl. So sweet.
We all live on time we borrow, time our children to us lend. Here today, but gone tomorrow, like like a spark flying in the wind. We all look up to our fathers. All our lives if all is right, and we all need a mothers when the day is dark as night. And the drums of war are getting louder, a sound you never heard before. Gonna come to your town, gonna find your corner, and we'll soon be knocking on your door. Someone pulls an easy trigger, puts another to the ground in disbelief, staring at his fingers through which his blood runs with his life. And the drums of war are getting louder, a sound you never heard before. Gonna come to your town, gonna find your corner, and we'll soon be knocking on your door. Are there right in front of us, for so long buried in the snow. Yes, here we are, shining down